Do you have a favorite teacher? Find a student council member next week with a Why You're a Rockin' Teacher slip and let them know they're appreciated.
What's up, THS? This is Bo with the afternoon announcements. Host members, the next meeting is on Thursday, May 3rd at 7:30. We will be electing the officers for next year. Be sure to come vote. If you are interested in running, please see Ms. Hughes and turn in your application by Monday, April 30th. Applications for locker cleaning this summer are available at the reception office. Deadline turn-in is May 11th. Student, there are still a few openings in the CNA program for next fall and spring. Please return your paperwork ASAP to Ms. Hughes in room 225. Attention sophomores and juniors, we are looking for dynamic, enthusiastic leaders who are interested in being a part of next year's Link Crew. If you're interested in applying for this opportunity, we will be having an informational meeting to distribute applications before school at 7:30 in the auditorium this Friday, May 4th. Attention students taking an AP exam. Payments for the AP exams are due by Friday, May 4th at 3:30. This is a hard deadline. There will not be any able to take the exam if you're not paid that day. All payments go to Ms. Dougherty in the counseling office. Congratulations to the JV boys tennis players Danny Amberg and Dalton Jewell for earning match wins over Central last night. Congratulations to our boys varsity tennis players Noah Nick and Tyler Deckent for earning match wins over Central last night. And this has been Bo signing off.